iPhone mirroring is a super handy feature that has come in macOS 15 Sequoia and iOS 18. What makes it so impressive is the ability to let you use your iPhone on your Mac and even drag and drop files between your devices seamlessly. But what if you no longer enjoy this feature or want to stop your Mac from mirroring your iPhone due to privacy concerns? No worries. Let's learn how to permanently stop iPhone mirroring on your Mac. To do so, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down a bit and choose General. Then select AirPlay and Continuity. After that, choose iPhone Mirroring. Then tap on the Edit button at the top right corner of the screen. Then tap on the red minus button to the left of the Mac where you no longer want to allow mirroring, and then hit the red delete button. And finally tap on the done button at the top right corner of the screen to confirm the action, and you are good to go. You have successfully disallowed the iPhone mirroring on your Mac. Later, if you ever wish to bring this feature back on track, simply head into the same setting and then make the desired changes, and that's about it. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a good time. Bye.